Hello guys, I am Meghna Priya and you are watching Gossipfunda. In this video, we are gonna discuss how to fix Messenger not sending messages on Android. So without delaying much, let's start the video. First of all, you need to go to the settings of your phone. So click on the gear icon and go to the settings. Now scroll down and search for apps section. If you are not able to find it, then go to the search bar and type apps. Now click on apps and then go to manage apps section. Over there, you need to click on the search bar and type messenger. After doing so, click on messenger and scroll down. Now click on restrict data usage and turn it on for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now click on OK. Let's go to other permission section and make sure that you have turned on the service SMS. If you haven't, then turn it on as soon as possible. Now next we have to go to the apps permission section and turn on all the permission for the messenger. First we will do calendar, then contacts, next is camera, click on allow. Now next is location, microphone, SMS, storage, and finally telephone. I hope your problem gets resolved and you found this video helpful. To know more about technology related stuffs like Android tips and tricks, iOS tips and tricks, coding, etc., do visit our Gossipfunda blog and start reading. You will get to know about many more such things. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to press the subscribe button and ring the bell icon in order to get the future notifications. If you have any query, please feel free to mention it down in the comment box. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.